Well, before we decided to leave the Edeza marina, we thought we'd take a walk into Gibraltar. It's quite fun walking across a live runway for the airport. But the view is lovely, and you get to see the rock coming into the port. It's very beautiful here. Don't forget, guys, hit that like button, subscribe, hit the bell button, and let you know when I've got a new video. Don't forget to leave a comment. I love reading comments. Oh, and you can also join the channel now, become a member. Now guys, what you can see there is the Sunborn Gibraltar. It's the ship hotel. It's a unique 5-star luxury super yacht hotel. It's permanently moored in the ocean village. It's actually 142 metres long, 7 stories high. It's a luxury vessel. Movement on the ship, it's permanently moored, so you don't actually get any movement, so you'll never get seasick on it. You don't have to worry about that. It was built in Malaysia and transported to Gibraltar in 2014. It's got 189 upscale rooms and suites, floor-to-ceiling windows and private balconies. It's got just about everything you could want, really. It's big restaurants and
this time around.
Very clear though that he's definitely a stronger horse. He's going to race on, he has fully locked in his different experiences, and he's going stronger this year.
how's the other half live?
21.5 stop. Guy Fox is fourth in the Irish Gold Cup, and James Verde won a Grade 2 events, so I think his form is rock solid. He ran bad in Cheltenham, but it's probably the first.
It's time to head back to the marina, back to the boat, try and get it some sort of ship shape ready to head into the Med. Yeah. Here's just waiting on a private plane coming so she can just take off.
No, we're waiting for Harrier.
Oh, Harrier. They're very noisy.
Love it.